Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the positive matrix factorization model software, which is also known as the EPA PMF software. So it is basically developed by the US Environmental Protection Agency, and it can be used in different kinds of purpose or different kinds of field. For example, environmental data science and geoscience, sedimentology, mineralogy, or sometimes uh, different kinds of statistical purpose also. So for downloading this software, you have to just came into this website and just scroll down and you will find the link for downloading the software. I will attach the link into the description, so you will not gonna travel to download the software. So moving to the main portion, I have made two files for you. One is the main file, which I have renamed as element, and another is the uncertainty file. So uncertainty is a basic requirement for running the PMF software because uh, as I have already discussed that PMF is used for geoscience, sedimentology, or environmental purpose. And usually environmental data sets contain so many uncertainties because the data are basically generated from the environmental phenomena. So uncertainty is a basic requirement. Moreover, uncertainty also helps the PMF software to make a stable and reliable dataset. Uh, there's also a reason because PMF is not a definite claimable software or claimable output. We we should consider the output of PMF as a non-definite claim. So PMF is basically structured a total scenario of your uh, study area and your data set. So moving to the main part, I'm going to open the main software. So this is the main software. We will open the main software and you will get that kind of interface. So first of all, we have to connect the main data file with the software. So I'm going to connect our main file. This is our main file. And after that, we have to connect the uncertainty value file. Also, so you should work in the same folder because it will make the efficiency of the software and your work will not be messed up. So we have to select an output folder. I am selecting this, and we have to select a output prefix. So I'm giving the name as demo, and also we have to select an output file type. So I am taking the Excel file type because this is the most efficient one. So our input section is complete, and we have to run our base model. So in this base model section, the number of run, you can also change it or you can just leave it as it is. And you can also change the number of factors. For example, if your data set is smaller or you have a smaller data set, you should select maximum 4 to 5 number of runs. So I am selecting the number 4. Or if you have a larger data set, you can use 5, 6, or more as your preference. So seed number will generated automatically, which is which will determined by the software. So I'm clicking the run. Yes, our run has been completed. So this is our outputs. This is the scatter plot. This is the profile contribution. Basically, this section is widely used for research purpose, and also this section. So as you have remembered that we have run 4 factors. So combining this 4 factor, we have to click the right button of the mouse and then start graph, and you will get the 4 base structure profile run together, and you can just save it as PNG for your research article or your research purpose. or you can also keep it there. And this is the folder. All our outputs appeared here. This is the main output, the base factor profile contribution. And this is the generated Excel file. You can say the profile contribution is our number 16, and these are the most significant numbers I've generated. You can use according to the data. This is another output which has been generated. So one more thing is that you can save your output, but you cannot continue or resume from your output folder. So you can say that this is a one-time approach. If you want to run your model, or if you want to get a new output, you will have to generate a new run or a new output from the beginning. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.